FortunaLink, the meaning of connection and continuity. At JewelHub UK, FortunaLink represents one of the most powerful ideas in human life. The links that hold us together, the connections we build, the chapters we move through, the continuity that shapes our story. FortunaLink is not just a bracelet. It is the foundation of the entire JewelHub system, a universal base that allows every type of bracelet to connect, link, and carry a customized MiniCharm. Humans have always used chains and links to represent unity. In ancient cultures, linked metals symbolized protection and belonging. In modern psychology, connection is considered one of our deepest emotional needs. We are shaped by the people we love, the experiences we survive, and the identities we grow into. FortunaLink captures this truth in a wearable form. FortunaLink includes every bracelet type that can hold meaning. Stainless steel chain bracelets that express grounded identity. 925 silver chain bracelets that express clarity and elegance. Italian modular bracelets that let you build your story piece by piece. Bead bracelets that carry intention, grounding, and emotional rhythm. Each one is different in form, but all of them share the same symbolic core. They can link to a MiniCharm, and they can link to your story. Italian links represent growth. You add charms as you evolve. You build your bracelet as you build your life. Each link becomes a chapter. Each charm becomes a memory. The bracelet becomes a timeline you can touch. Chain links represent strength. Stainless steel reflects resilience and modern identity. Silver reflects refinement and emotional clarity. Together, they form a chain that mirrors who you are becoming. Bead bracelets represent grounding. Each bead is like a moment of breath, a reminder to stay centered. When a MiniCharm connects to a bead bracelet, it becomes a symbol carried through your daily rhythm. FortunaLink is also about connection to others. A matching bracelet with someone you love. A shared charm that marks a moment you experience together. A piece that reminds you of the people who shaped you. These connections become part of your personal continuity. At JewelHub UK, we design FortunaLink with intention. The weight, the feel, the movement, everything is crafted to remind you that your story is ongoing. You are not defined by one moment. You are defined by the links between them. FortunaLink is not about fashion. It is about meaning. It is about carrying your connections with you. It is about honoring your past, grounding your present, and shaping your future. It is the base of the JewelHub system and the foundation of your symbolic story. This is the meaning of FortunaLink, brought to you by jewelhub.co.uk.